You want to do first? Now, like, you know I can't go up there because I'm too big. Yeah, I mean, I'm too big here. See, do you want me to turn the speaker on? Do you want me to play the scary music again? No. The scary music again? All right. Now at 1:30, we have to leave. 1:30. Yes, 1:30. But I'm gonna make sure I drop off the candy, okay? All right. So let me turn on the speaker. I'm trying to set my speaker here. What's up, man? Okay. Oh, here you go. There you go. Now you can go like scare the kids with it. It's like this little scary music. He likes to go inside the slides and like scare the kids with it. So that it's like 100. So, you know, watch all the kids are gonna be like start running soon. You hear it? You know what, man? Like it's kind of scary in there. Like, I dare you to go in there. You gotta take it all the way to the top, and then roll it down. You gotta take it to the top. Oh, well, somebody gotta take this to the top. Can you take this to the top and just roll it down for me? Well, because I want to see it. I want to see like I saw you last time here, huh? Yeah, like you was here. Okay. Hey, Mr. Caleb. Hey, Caleb. Yes, just roll it down for me. Okay, like I'm going to the top. I'm going to the top. Wait a minute, like it's coming down. The speaker's coming down. Get ready. Get ready. Thank you for hanging out. Well, you were supposed to roll it. You know what? They told me not to go up there because I was too big. Man, like, I am a little bit too big though. I was sliding down the slides, everything. Do you want to play with it? No? Here, hold it. Hold on to it. Ready? Hold on. Yo! Hey! You! Thank you! Oh, by the way, to let you know that you are on YouTube. Yes. Yes. There's no way to cut it out unless you sit over there or something. But it's a kids channel though. Like it's not like it's okay, well you can sit over there so we won't film you. Okay, come on, man. Let's go up, man. I dare you to go up there. Okay, go. 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 Wait a minute. I'm going to go, but you got to go first. Okay, now you go. Here I come. I'm coming up this time. I'm coming up. Keep going. Keep going. What's next? What's next? Huh? Me? Like, is it candy time? Almost. It's almost candy time. Oh yes. You know how I like to drop candy from the sky.
Daddy, watch this trick. Watch this
Now watch this trick. I make the music go off. Do you want me to make the music go off? You ready? It's gonna go off. You see, it went off. And now I will make the music come back on. The scary music come back on. Ready? Rise. Is it scary? Do you want to hold it? No? Hey, mate, can you take this up there for me? And can you like scare all the children down here? Okay? It's getting quite scary up there, man. I don't think I want to go up there. I think, you know what, should I go up there? Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude. Go this way, go. Wait a minute. Wait. What happened? What happened, man? You fell down? What happened? Who turned it off? Who turned it off? You have my magic. Did you turn it off? Ah, you figured it out. You figured it out. How did you figure it out? Very good. You know what? They're waiting to be scared again. Come on, let's go. Wait a minute. You pressed the wrong button. Here, let me fix it.